So I just took this out of the box. That is the Vewior air purifier. We're gonna go ahead and do an unboxing. Thank you, Vewior, for sending this to me for free so I could check it out. I've received other purifiers before, but none of them were actually packed this well as far as the extra styrofoam and things like that. You got your user manual right here. Got your warning. This is very light. This is nice. This is very nice. Check it out. Looks very good. Now with this particular product, it's supposed to be really, really efficient. This version actually works for 650 square feet. It's supposed to be low noise as well. Wow. Check it out. This is a beauty. As far as the filter, it's right here at the bottom. There we go. See inside, it's wrapped. Make sure you do this and make sure that you do take the plastic off the filter. This is a H13 HEPA air purifier. So it's got the digital display, obviously, that you saw. It's also got a fragrance diffuser and a PM2.5 detection. But obviously, like most filters, and it's like the standard, you've got a 3-stage filtration system. So here's the inside of it. There you go. And there's the filter. Very well done filter. Literally, if you haven't had one before, you know the drill. I mean, you literally just put this in here and drop it in. And then you just put this on and just close it up. There we go. Here, make sure you take the sticker off. Nice and shiny. Who doesn't like taking the little clear stickies off the stuff? As far as the power adapter, it is just a standard 2-prong. And from what it says here, this is a class 2 and its output is 12 volts. Here is the other side. Bam. Air purifiers have the connection near the bottom or under here. And there's like a little crevice that you can put the wire in. This one's right on top, which is convenient. Looks like as far as the air pulling, it is on all 4 sides. Not just the front, not just the sides, but it's on all, including the back, which is nice. I do like that. That means it's really going to pull in everything around. The top, it looks like this is where you put that's where you'd actually put the scent is right through the top here. It's just a little thing. It's very easy to handle. You just put it in and make sure the lines match. That's it. I'm going to plug it in first and actually check out the display and see how well the touchscreen works. This is actually pushing out a good chunk of air. Let me get a piece of paper real quick. All right, so we have just a tissue paper here. And look at this. Let me move the camera. Check it out. Here we go. Look at that. That is a good chunk of air right there, to be honest with you. So there's 3 modes, okay? This is the highest mode right here. I mean, my God, like, look at this. Like, this is really pumping out some good air. Mode. Here's 1. This is the lowest mode, okay? Very subtle. So if you want to have it on a desk, nice and subtle. I like that. Obviously, gear 2. Bam. So as far as the touchscreen itself, the touchscreen itself is literally just a light tap, just like a phone. Just a very light tap. That's all it is. From here, you got your timer. You can set it up for hours, and it automatically shuts off, which is nice. I'm probably going to leave it on all the time. Then you got your filter for when you change out the filter. Very simple design, but yet effective. Here's the noise, by the way. I'm going to put the mic up to it. All right. Here's 1. 2. And 3. And back to 1. So as far as it being quiet, on 1, I can barely even hear it, to be honest with you. I can barely hear it on 1. 2, I could definitely hear it. But at the same time, it's not an annoying sound to me. It's actually a very comfortable sound. to deal with. Even on 3, if a room's really, really bad, you know that it's working. It sounds very powerful. However, I'm gonna let this run for a few hours. This room, like I said, it's pretty dusty right now because I've been opening the door, even though it's been winter, trying to clean up the snow and everything, and tracked in a bunch of crap, and plus my computer's here. Right, so I'm gonna let it run for a little bit and see how much more fresh it feels in the room for quite some time. And I know that you're not going to be able to physically see it. I don't know how to do that. If you can tell me how, that's awesome. But you're just going to have to just trust me. I'm being honest here. All right, so I found a way. I found some pet hair. Oh, it actually just snapped it off my finger when it moved. Look at that. So it is working, which is great. So I was going to let this air purifier go all day by Vewior, but the thing is, I had already, it's right here next to me. It's only been about 30 to 45 minutes, and this room already feels so much cleaner. I'm not freaking kidding. It feels cleaner already. And to be honest, usually it takes, you know, a couple hours or something like that just to at least feel a little bit of a difference. But no lie, this already feels amazing. Like, it already feels so clean in here. I'm not even kidding. And I'm gonna use this for a couple weeks or even a month, and I'm gonna check back. Make sure that you do comment on this, because I'm gonna check back at another time and actually look at the filter itself to see how much it's actually taken up and filtered. I think that'd be a good way to really justify how well this is working. But to be honest with you, I think it's already doing awesome. I'm helping you out with, it's right here. I'm helping you out with a legitimate, realistic review of this product. If you want a really good air purifier at a reasonable cost, literally go to the description of this video. It's right at the top. Click the link. I do get commissions from it. I'm just going to be honest with you. I do get commissions from it. Get it. It's 100% awesome. It works very well, especially for someone who works at their desk a lot and has cats. You can see my cat right there. It's worth it, 100%. I appreciate you being here. If you guys have any questions, I'm going to try to answer them, but check it out. Seriously, click the link, check it out on Amazon, check out the reviews for yourself if you want. Other than that, you guys have an awesome rest of your day. Stay hydrated, stay cool and warm. Sign out.